Something that was cool that happened was I was having trouble with this mic, um, and then I was able to get rid of the problem by plugging it and plugging it back in and doing this audio filters thing. She's having a big background noise problem. In OBS, it knew how to do this. So, um, thank you to Anthropic, not sponsorship, just genuine use. Are they the best AI? Well, that's a question I'm looking to answer. So, let me go pull up this Google Slides I have. All right, check this out. Benchmark. All right, marketplace for game based AI benchmarking. Hold on, let me pull up the chat and make sure everything's looking good. That is what it's supposed to look like. Now I can see comments if they happen. All right, marketplace. Game is nobody's watching. It's just recording. This is just for practice. Okay. Game based. So we've seen Hugging Face, right? This is how we measure how models are against each other. It's kind of unclear exactly how we do this. So the idea is we create games these things can play based off of traditional board games, and this hasn't been possible before on the blockchain due to a lack of homomorphic encryption. We got all these technologies that are all new, so we use the new technologies together and build something nobody had ever thought of before or built before, but you know, could be high potential upside due to gaming and like being, you know, if the AI that's best at gaming is probably the best at other things. So I think this is valuable data we can collect, and we can also just create a betting market. And it's instead of a market, it's a marketplace, which is a lot more fair than like this like opaque ranking nature thing. So here we go. So first step is basically Phoenix is the privacy layer, and the reason this stream is called Battleship is because Battleship is a simple game that requires that someone can't spoof what your where your battleship is. All right, so the way we do this is we go to the Phoenix docs. We'll need clock this. It doesn't know it. And it took me forever for me to understand this branding, this Phoenix name. It's like, why? Obviously, there's lots of things named Phoenix out there. So, but it's FHE, fully homomorphic encryption, privacy. That's why it's like that. So, um, all right. Key concepts. All right. And now we can also just start building the UI for this. Let's figure this JavaScript right now. Very easy to deploy quickly. Probably wants to deploy everywhere. All right. New folder, benchmark it. Man, I need to like this song that I'm listening to. I already have. Dang, 11. Dang, that's Jason Lewis Monument really does a great job here. Let's go. All right, we're gonna need obviously a index.html style success. And I kind of like to have, we're gonna need a constants JS at some point. So let's see what Claude came up with. Okay. The board size is private. Hold on a second. Let me get a private constant. Why? Why is this private right here? Could be public, it seems. So how I'll do this, I'll go in here. All right, so then I go into Remix. All right, contracts. Benchmark it, see. Always say that. I just built these. So I already have these things. So, I have this whole concept built out of what having an entire marketplace for these things, right? But there'll have to be an interface for it, and unfortunately, I couldn't get a cross-chain mailbox working, so I'll have to use Python instead. All right, so point is there's a lot of fluff in there. So let's create a new folder. Oh, not inside of this. This new folder. Market. Two. All right. This is what I'm actually working on. File. Okay. What are we going to call this file? Claude, make a suggestion. So what actually is the EUNts here? EUNts. And we need to work with Phoenix.js here. And we also need to get started with Wallet Connect. So this will be interesting. Or Web3 auth, I mean. Web3. Okay. So, but the real question is, I'm actually just installing and naming this contract. BattleShip. BattleShip. So, alright, let's see how that works. Nope. Don't like the compiler version. Hmm. Looks like I got some errors here, Claude. So hopefully it can fix it. Hmm. There's some weird errors. I don't get it. Yeah, as long as they're different errors, I might as well continue the cycle, right? Okay, it's longer this time. That's kind of been bullish. Hey, we got a. Okay, cool. Um, so we can switch our network to. On Phoenix. Excuse me. Didn't we press deploy right there? What's going on? Why are we not? Oh. Huh. Yep. Okay, now I'm seriously wondering what's going on. It, I mean, what the? Hmm. Hmm. That's odd. Well, um, let me think. La 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 la. You make me feel so la la. Make sure just like anything will deploy on Phoenix. It's a more complicated game. Right? Okay, Toronto compile. Five. Is it even you? So when is that forever? And Mr. Boy? Um, so I've deployed this before. Doesn't seem like it's working for this one either. I'm getting this. No, it's a problem with. It's a problem with the remix and MetaMask, I'm sure. I just need to adjust. Probably not the contract. Um, hmm. I've never had this issue before. Let me make sure I can deploy. Let's just work around and figure out if we can just make sure that the um just randomly deploy one of these Galadriel contracts onto Galadriel just to make sure it's not a problem. The end of it's just a problem with the Phoenix test map. That's not a whole lot I can do about that. Okay, so it's a problem with Remix specifically. I'm not resetting the account. Oh shoot, yeah. The transaction yeah. I'll still have the same amount of like ETH and stuff. Oh yeah. So, it says clear activity and last data. All right, so now that I have that figured out, I should be able to for this. I'm good for this. Wow, it still doesn't seem to be working. That's odd. Hmm. Internal JSON RPC error. Go to plugin manager. Okay, something. Okay, wait. Something about this instance of Remix. My MetaMask is not a good. Reload that. That. Done. What? That. Okay. So I think I was having trouble even deploying on the VM before. Seems like it's happening again. Hmm. The plugin manager. Uh, so what are we doing? Because that would be weird if I couldn't deploy the contracts here. I guess I could deploy them on my other computer. Or just from a different maybe Coinbase or something. Let's see. Let's see. Hmm. I wonder what the market's doing today. Red. Crash. That was a lucky 50-50 guess right there. Super micro. Dead. Yeah. Well. See. Okay. Yeah, it's moving along with resistance as I predicted. Yeah, so. Yeah. Not too great. How BTC? That sucks with 2. Alright, well. It did make a little, I like that little bounce. You know, I think it might chop a little and then do actually like one of these. But that would be pretty high, yeah. We can get up to 100 before April, yeah. That'd be nice. Alright, that's it. Next more, 166, taking it down, but it's maintaining steady. Bullish pattern. Hmm. Hmm. So I want to try to check if I even have some gal in this wallet. That's not. Is there another good wallet? Um. Da, 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 da. No, I gotta get MetaMask working. This is unacceptable. Let's check. It's very odd that my entire remix will be broken. Internal JSON, RPC. What kind of error is this? What does it say? Oh. Why would we not be able to deploy a single contract on Linux? I'm incredibly frustrated right now. Spitting angry. I guess I have to make sure I'm not having the same issue on another computer. Great for stream purposes, but huh. All right, I guess I have to deploy contracts over here. Bum 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 boom, 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 boom. Never quite run into this issue before, really, frankly. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna download Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla Firefox. And then download MetaMask within Mozilla Firefox. I don't know which one I have. I'm gonna go 64-bit. I probably have a 64-bit. All right, now. Okay, gotta get fancy. Yeah, I love being a Linux user. It's totally worth the. Okay. Can I extract? Is there an extract too often? Extract. Yeah, thank you. Good. And it's installing right now. Yeah. I don't know what the difference between my. Point is we can now run Firefox. I love to skip this step. I don't, yeah. Skip this step. Skip this step. Start browsing. So, see, MetaMask. Firefox. Install MetaMask for Firefox. Add to Firefox. Add. Okay. I agree. Create new wallet. Okay. Yep. Skip it. Okay. I'm gonna go chain left. Chain left. And Discord. I've done the Discord as well. I'll do that in Chrome. All right. So what I do here is now I go to Discord, and actually I can just send myself these tokens to the point of it's famous delayed rail. All right. Now, oops. All right. That's all right. So now we do the exact same thing except for Phoenix. Okay, but now we need to open this extension of this guy, so we just send him. Excuse me. We send this person. Right, there we go. Okay. And we need to send the same person. Wait, 3 gal. 3. Wait, what? No. That's it. Same person. 0.3 of this, whatever, currency. So anything on this must not be working, like any trying to send money on this MetaMask account must just be freaking broken. What? Okay. This is the worst anything ever. So I take it this Galadriel transaction didn't go through either. Man. Do I have Galadriel? I have this. Interesting. Hmm. Is there a problem then with the Phoenix network? Interesting. Might have to even get my phone out, I guess, and send it. I think I can send. I may have some testnet. Let's see. So, man, if it really is a problem with the Phoenix testnet, huh? Jeez. Let's see. I'm gonna send this address some Sepolia ETH. And then take it to the. Then there's some kind of helium Phoenix bridge or something. I think I emailed myself about it. No, not there. Okay, well. Uh, Helium, Phoenix Bridge. Oh, it's right here. Yeah. Cool. So I can connect to the Sepolia network. Switch network to Sepolia. Currently have those 0.4 I just sent. So I need to do 0.35 to deposit. Interesting. Okay. All right, so I should have. Guess I'm a Firefox guy now. All right, let's open Remix in here. I have no contracts in here. But now I can call it benchmark it. Ha 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 ha. It kind of looks more crisp in my opinion. And, oh God, oh. And then we'll take this BattleShip.soul contract. As far as I'm concerned, we can. Let's make sure this compiles. And then as far as I'm concerned, we can go ahead and exit out of Chrome. Now we're up to alrighty. Okay. Because now we don't quite have that, I don't think that Phoenix has arrived yet. Phoenix Helium. It'll arrive before too long. And so then we need to, in the meantime, host the stinger. And also get into the Web3 off thing. Yeah, we need to get the basic developer's documentation, obviously. What developer isn't gonna dive right into the documentation? Documentation. Okay, and yeah, this index needs to be, so we need to go into the quick start for vanilla JS. I think we want the plug and play, right? So just copy this code and Vanilla.js plug and play. So, what does this even look like? Oh, no. Hmm. This kind of sucks with no, oops. There we go. That looks a lot better. Yeah. And I think we have some console errors. Oh, because there's a whole script.js thing. Script.js. As far as I'm concerned, we can just put that in with the index.html. And then what do I just have? Script. I assume it maybe has to be a module. I don't know. Let's see what happens when we do this. Oh. Wow. Oh, seems to be bugging the code. Okay. Hmm. There really no errors? That would surprise me. I probably don't have a valid API key or something like that. So anyway. Yeah, they don't have an MPC core kit for vanilla, unfortunately. So plug and play web. What is the web no modal? Maybe it's different. Maybe it's different. I don't know what the differences would be. But I think this should have arrived by now. What? Can we do this bridge like? Just waiting for funds to arrive. Deposits. Etherscan. Yeah, it is. Alright, 3.5 to that. And then, alright, what? I don't have a. received anything yet. Okay. Regular test net scan. I want the Explorer. There we go. Let's see. Latest block was 45 minutes ago. New transaction. So the latest transaction on the chain was 46 minutes ago. Okay. What? So now I can go and rage in the Discord. I don't feel like finding any in the Discord, so I need to go into the Discord and rage. How can you be having this kind of a rush? How can you not be ready? Hello? Nobody's raging? Hello? Is the chain on? What? I can't deploy contract in the Block Explorer. Says the last transaction was 46 minutes ago, 47 minutes ago. Hello, is the chain even on? Is the chain even on? That's weird. Yes, the only thing left to do is get it tested. Those look like go to the next level though. Can't be erratic. We'll run up. All right, so it looks like I crashed the chain. I'm gonna take credit for that. Yeah, network utilization 0. Well, that's pretty sad. Okay. Well, the point is, I guess we can start working on this. Like, why is this failing? Some contact support. Validate. Please whitelist my domain for my provided client. Okay. To the client Sapphire mainnet network. Okay, that makes sense. So basically, I need to get your client ID. Okay, so I need to actually do some developer things. Wow, so Web3 auth uses Web3 auth. Interesting. That makes sense though. Library. Alright. Industry. Oh no. Oh, not really. Bootstrapped. Gaming. Bench market. Organization size 1 to 9. Alright. What if you said you were like a 10,000 person bootstrapped organization? Was that an option? Get started. I already have a project. Adapt name, bench, market. Oh. Bench, market, environment, Sapphire. Even distributed. Wow, the latest development space, horizontal and water distributed. Okay. Products. Just doing plug and play. No, just doing platform types, web application, project. Yeah, environment. Blockchains I'm building on EVM based chain. Yeah. Okay. Web Academy. HTTPS. That is it, right? HTTPS. I hate that I know that. You know. All right, where did I go? Where did they think I was gonna go? Nice. All right. Okay, so now if I go to the site, I shouldn't get the same error because that wouldn't make any sense. So what I can do is I can go here, log in. Please whitelist my domain. I already did that. That's the problem. I already did that. Please whitelist your domain. Provide client. Blah 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 blah. Dashboard also owns projects on Sapphire mainnet network. Please choose. Okay, belongs. Okay, so we're on mainnet. It's not a DevNet, right? Okay. Please create a mainnet product for production somewhere else. Okay. Yeah. Let's do that. Is it just me, or did I press this and it didn't work? Or can I? I wonder what the custom authentication options are. Oh, oh, I couldn't know verify, create verifier. Again, integrate, customize, add-on, analytics. No, man, I'm liking this so far. Okay, so whitelist origin, https://webed.academy. It's already whitelisted. Okay, right. Okay, so how about we just say, yeah. Oh, hold on. I just use DevNet here? Where does it say mainnet? Where does it say I have to use mainnet? Sapphire. Ooh. So how do I change this? How do I change this to be DevNet? I would assume I would just change this word main to dev to change mainnet to DevNet. Let's just, for a lark, log in. Something went wrong. And the Sapphire.devnet network. Whitelist for DevNet only, okay. Mainnet project for production URLs. Also users. Man. Wait, so how's this compare plans? Okay, what plans do they have? Free, right, for individuals, okay. But I'm not paying, why did they do $69 a month? Isn't that kind of horny unnecessarily? Okay, free 1,000 monthly active. Well, that's okay. All right, so it shouldn't actually matter. All right, except a little bit annoying. Great mainnet project. Boom. Card. Boom. Oh god. All right. Oh, let me get ye old card information out. All right. Here's something weird going on here. So it's like create mainnet project right here, but this is like I just want to know why it's not working now that I put in that info. Sapphire mainnet network. Make sure the client ID matches to this network. Okay, this makes more sense. That this would be a yeah, thing like yeah. Okay. Status live. Okay. Is it really? Oh, you know what? I need to change my client ID to a different ID. You see, yeah, see the client ID is for the test net, but the client ID is this one is an FUI, right? Oh, NQ? What the heck? Neither of them. All right. Well, maybe that maybe that was the problem all along. uh, okay, this is actually working now. Okay. Check all this. Log in. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. So congratulations. Logged in successfully. All right. So log out is an option. All right. Show wallet. What does show wallet do? Disconnected. Okay. Well, we're logged in with Web3 Auth. That's good. But is this working at all? Yeah, see, all these most recent track things were an hour ago. All right, so maybe someone will reply to me in the Discord. I can't use it. Yeah. General chat. Yeah, update. I swear I was saying something else. Developer general. Yeah, EthOnline. Sandbrook. Alright, well. At least Web3 also is working. Okay. And we can at least start building. Okay. So we have the index.html. Alright. And we can assign a squad here. Okay. Alright. So now it's generating BattleShip UI. Okay, so we added these things into this. That's fine. Uh, did it want to, why did it want me to index.html? I have this thing that in the header. Okay. Alright, well now what does this look like? What? Why would we have an error logging in right there? What? Was this not just working? Or did it, okay. It clearly is a problem with, alright, the code. Huh. Alright. So no big problem with that. Going 54 to 198. But then go down here and it's like that. All right. And then we also want to have our new CSS file. Go with it. $161 versus 75. And yeah, we'll see. We'll see if this works. Interesting. I'm already logged in. Looks like. No, I'm not logged in. Okay. No, it's messed up. All right, so it clearly doesn't know how to use. Bob can't use Web3. That's all right. That's all right. I'll have to just get my hands dirty. Yeah. Oh no. Oh man. So I have to go back up and get my pasted file. All right. What? Why would that be the case? Okay, so it still worked. Nice. All right. So, yeah, all right, it works, right? Now, what we want to do is, okay, these are just like buttons, right? Chain config. Oh man, this chain config. Okay. Well, that is something we can go ahead and try to change. Take our um, all right. So basically, I guess we just have to, I guess maybe it doesn't have the documentation. We probably just need to read some documentation. Right, because you get a provider, right? You get a provider. Private key provider equals new window.ethereum provider.ethereum private key provider config chain config. DRPC, baby. What about DRPC? Display names. So how do you even use this? Is there a provider? Customs. Plug and play. Interesting. Well, I can't write a Python event reader thing. Or even test anything. I don't know how this index, like how do I use the provider once I have it? I guess I can use this. Let me just console log this guy. Control shift I. This seems like object. Okay, this is it. Yeah, this is the provider. Right? Yeah. Okay, so can I use it like it's in Ethers or what? Like to create a contract object, like I guess I would use private key provider, right? Because I need Oh. Vanilla JS. This towards EVM blockchain. Okay. Yeah, it's initialized as soon as your uploads. Okay, in order for the to log in, prefer the constructor. Okay, I already have that. Logging in your user use the connect function. And once logged in, inspect directly. Okay, Web3 author. Okay, wait a second. Utilize ethers. Okay. The library of choice and configure it for respective RPC files. Interesting. Clicked. Okay. Web3.eth.get accounts. Do I have this code in my code? It goes. Do I have like get accounts? Get accounts. Okay, it happens right here. Get accounts. Okay. Web3. Okay. Oh, Web3. Okay. I see. All right. So now we have a provider. So this is the provider. All right. And then this is, okay. So Web3 is a provider. And then ETH is a library or something? Making blockchain calls. Okay. Ethers. But it doesn't use ethers, does it? I guess I could use ethers. Ethers, right? Yeah, so it doesn't. Oh, wait, so Web3. Where it says Web3 everywhere. Wow. Wow. Class user equals Web3 auth dot get user info. Const Web3 auth dot provider. Each Web3. Well, I really wish I could test this right now. If I can go ahead and change the config to be in alignment with the actual information I will want it. Setting I should have blocked it, still not 1 hour ago. Chain ID is boobies. The block explorers here. Ticker TFHA. Ticker name. T Phoenix. Don't have a logo. Do they have like a Phoenix branding page? Nope. Phoenix branding. Phoenix. well. This. All the options are there. Peanuts. Option. What is this? Copy and link. There we go. All right, so we got Web3 off. Working at, I would say working. Failed to connect with one open logger, provide an invalid network. What? What do you mean? Invalid network? Oh, I think I need to. I don't need to add a network. How's it an invalid network? Hmm. 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 Didn't like that. Didn't like that I changed the network on. I don't know. I don't know whether it's better to do modal or no modal. I think probably modal though. Okay. OXO1. Hmm. Hmm. Zero X 1. 0x. Let's try to see if that works. That'd be stupid if it works, but net version is all right. In this chain namespace thing, they have it look different. That's kind of odd, right? Is that how it does it? I don't think that's right. Alright, I guess we'll give it a try. Yeah, I don't even know what that is. Alright, well, let me see. You mean 135. Okay, oh. Here we go. Boom, it has to be an hex for some reason. It's alright. We can forgive that. Undefined logo dark and modifier for light label big. Yeah, but it's not working. Okay. Cool. Excellent. All right, so basically, there's some functions, but also we need to have a provider, right? So like where would we plug in the contract information? You'd have to do an import. You know, what if I just probably want a fresh CSS, I think. Okay. But both of these are good starts, I would say. So I'm going to go to GitHub and go ahead and wow, this guy started following me. This must be a cool guy. All right. So Create new repository. Do I already have one in benchmark it? Oh, wait, nope. Okay, cool. Marketplace or game-based AI image. Alright, create repository. New file. BattleShip, all engines. BattleShip.sol. Yep. And it's safe to have this key in my HTML code because only I can use it because of that whitelist thing, which is nice. All right, and that's the state of my project at the moment. It's been almost 2 hours. And I had some stupid stuff to deal with. I could continue, but I need to eat anyway. And hopefully someone replies to my Discord thing.